Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Instant Pot egg roll in a bowl. And it is gluten-free and it's also a keto dish, the way that we're preparing it. It comes together very quickly, and as long as you season it to your liking, you will find it to be quite delicious. And I love this dish because if your ground beef is already prepared, which mine is, I'm going to pop up a video link to where you can see how you can cook ground beef in bulk in the Instant Pot. So if you start with some prepared ground beef, then this will go very quickly. So the ingredients that you need are ground beef, cabbage, it's already shredded, and then for spices, I'm going to use some ginger, salt, going to add some liquid aminos, which is a substitute for soy sauce, and then also some toasted sesame seed oil. I have the 8-quart Instant Pot, so you need a minimum of 2 cups of water in order to bring it up to pressure. To that, I'm just going to add a bit of the toasted sesame seed oil and also some ginger. I actually like a lot of ginger. And this ground beef that I've cooked previously, I cooked it with onion and garlic, so I don't need to add that again. It's already, and I took it out of the freezer, so it's still just a little bit frozen, slightly frozen, but that won't be a problem. This is 2 16-ounce bags. And although it seems like a lot now, it will cook down significantly. And I'm just going to add a bit more salt across the top. Liquid aminos, but it works the same as soy sauce. Then I add the top and make sure that it's set to sealing. So here, when we're setting the Instant Pot to cook, you actually want to choose 0 for your time. So hit manual. Oh, I already have it set to 0. I must have been cooking some vegetables the last time I used this. The reason why I selected 0 is because as this pot is coming up to pressure, the cabbage will already be cooking because it's going to get very hot. So by the time it reaches pressure, the cabbage will already have cooked enough. And so then I'm going to quick release it once it comes to pressure. All right, that's our cue. It's come to pressure, and now I'm going to do a quick release. It takes about 3 minutes for the pin to drop. Let's take a look and see what we've got. Well, it's looking pretty good.